are you up to, guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I come up with a new vlog which is gonna be Hotpot. So let's eat Hotpot today. Mushroom before sink in water. Black mushroom before sink in water. Alright my people, preparation is almost done. Only one thing is left, that is the sauce. I'm gonna show you this as well. Before that, I'm going to take you to the food tour, what we prepare. Let's go. Okay. This is the most important one, the vegetable. You must have many vegetables because the season here, I mean during the winter season you will have less vegetable available, so it's better to have a lot of vegetable, and they like to have a lot of vegetable. And this one is seaweed. Before you prepare this one, you need to clean like nicely because it is a little bit salty. Seafood, black mushroom. With the spices you can add those things: chilies, coriander, garlic. You can add some ginger, sesame, many things. Lamb, white mushroom. This one is for kids. Small sausages, fish ball, beef meatball. Here we have prawn. Here we have mushroom. That's it. Women's. This sauce that we're going to cook in this sauce. This is hot one, and this one is for the people who don't want it hot. Is normal one. For the kids is okay, this one. Okay guys, preparation is near about to finish. I want to tell you one thing about sauce. There are two kinds of sauce in general. One you have to pour in the water. The other one you can make that sauce, mix that sauce when you are eating the things. So some people they just put the normal things like oil or garlic and many spices, but some people they like to prepare a little bit their own style. So this one you need to be a little bit tricky. You need to make according to your taste. And one more thing I want to talk about. This spices is called Hotpot spices. There are millions kind of spices, but this one I just want to suggest the people who follow the Hindu religion, because this sauce is made with a fat plus herbs. So this fat is from beef or chicken or pork. Normally it should be with the beef. So when you choose this sauce, Hotpot sauce, you can choose only with the chicken as well. So this is just a suggestion for the people who doesn't want to eat beef meat. That's what I want to say. Okay, this is tofu sauce with red color. You need to mix them together. You can add a few sauce as well, like oyster sauce, soy sauce. You need to put a little bit of water as well. Okay, you see this sauce is ready. After that, when the things is ready here, you can dip here. This one you can make according to your taste. If you don't want hot, you don't need to put chilies like that thing. You just can put this sauce is a sesame sauce. Sesame with the tofu, red tofu. You can add some other spices as well. according to your taste. And you dip here, you can eat. Okay, now we are going to put the things in it. You can have many types of meat. Here they have millions type of meat, but we like this one. Also, I eat only lamb. I don't eat beef, so we buy only lamb. We can add meat first. Vegetable. Okay. This one, what do you like? You can add and you eat. So we have some spinach as well. Lettuce. You can put prawn. Put this side as well, put that one. If you put the meat prawns in the beginning, the sauce will have big bite to taste maybe. Black mushroom. Okay, you can, this mushroom you cannot boil a lot, you just dip down and take it out quick because it will melt soapy. This fish balls, meatballs, sauces you need to put a little bit more because they are frozen before. Okay, seaweed in Chinese is called Haicha. He is nearly died with the smell of Hotpot. He surrendered himself, just waiting for food now. You can put a lot of things in Hotpot except this one, okay? This one you are not allowed to put. Alright, having Hotpot now. I made this video is not because today is something special. It's just I want to introduce the people who are not aware of this kind of food to give you a little bit idea how the people here normally they eat Hotpot. That's the main goal of my video. I hope you will get few things from here. And next time maybe in your home you can try this one by yourself and enjoy. And if you are not chili lover, don't put too much chili. After watching this video, I hope you will try at your home at least once to make this kind of things. It is very easy. You can collect your things on things what you like and clean them nicely and prepare few spices. Plus you can make your own hot sauce even. But now everywhere you can find this Chinese sauce which is called Hotpot sauce. You can ask them and you can buy and you can try at your home. Try in your home. This is my goal, to teach you a little bit how generally we prepare this food and enjoy it. Anyway, today it is not so special to have the hot pot. We are just free time, and also today is kids have half holiday, because normally this hot pot we eat, people eat here when it's rainy day or cold day, snowy day, like their day. We make it more special, that's it. Anyway, if you like this kind of videos, you can follow me on my channel. You will have normally how we do here. This kind of information you will get from this channel. This is not planned content. It's just not created content. This just happened, and I have to just prepare for this while the things happen. It's not planned or something. And in the future also the same thing. Some interesting things, some maybe travel, maybe some visit, maybe the food, maybe the restaurant. It's daily life style I will include in my channel. So stay tuned for that. Until then, have a good time. Bye bye.